Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making a really simple, beautiful Sweetgrass micellar water. The two key ingredients of this formula are the Sweetgrass hydrosol and our cleansing ingredient. So the Sweetgrass hydrosol just smells absolutely divine. It really, honestly, I wanted a micellar water that smelled like Sweetgrass hydrosol. So that's how we ended up here, because it just smells so great, and I love having that beautiful, soft, sweet scent as part of my skincare routine. If you don't have Sweetgrass hydrosol, or you have another favorite hydrosol that you just need more of in your life, feel free to use that instead. Our cleansing ingredient is PEG6, Capric and Caprylic triglycerides. I've tried every surfactant I own when making micellar waters, and this is the only one that I have been happy with performance-wise. So I really do recommend sourcing it if you can. I'll include links to places to purchase it in Canada and the United States in the blog post, which I will link below. If you've never made micellar water, you'll probably be blown away how crazy easy it is to make, and hopefully I can get you to stop buying micellar water, because it's a little expensive for what it is, but we can basically just measure everything right into the bottle, cap, shake to combine, and rock and roll. So come on, let's get started. This is so simple to make. We're just going to weigh everything directly into our bottle, and this is a 120 milliliter or 4-ounce bottle, and then shake to combine. So we're going to start with our surfactant. So we'll need 0.48 grams of PEG6, Capric and Caprylic triglycerides. You'll need 1.2 grams Propanediol 1,3, 0.6 grams sodium lactate, 0.6 grams liquid germall plus, 57.12 grams distilled water, and 60 grams Sweetgrass hydrosol. Once you've got everything in the bottle, we can cap and shake to combine. For a bit of a usage demo, I smeared a little bit of a tinted lip balm on my arm. I'm going to dispense some of this onto a cotton pad, and it wipes up just beautifully. So if this was your face, you would just wipe your whole face with the pad soaked in micellar water, and then that's it. You don't have to rinse afterwards. I usually need 2 cotton pads to do my face at the end of the day or first thing in the morning to have them come away clean. But yeah, that's the general gist of it. It's super easy to use. I love using micellar water, especially when I'm traveling on airplanes and places that I'm not going to be able to rinse. It's a really nice way to quickly refresh and cleanse. And there you go. You just made a super easy Sweetgrass micellar water. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this recipe on my blog on humblebeeandme.com. There you'll find links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.